animals around us. Now students, let's revise. Here you can see the pictures of animals and you have to match these with their habitat. Now let's begin. There are many animals in our world. Different animals live in different kinds of habitats. Some animals live in hot places, while some live in cold places. Some animals live on land. Some animals live in water. The natural home or environment where an animal lives and grows is called its habitat. Now, first of all, let's read about aquatic animals. Some animals live in water. They are called aquatic animals. Fish, whales, crabs, dolphins, ducks and turtles are some such animals. These animals have special features which help them to live in water. Fishes have fins which help them to swim. Here you can see the aquatic animals, fish, dolphin, whale and crab. They breathe through tiny holes called gills. Whales and dolphins live in water but are mammals. They don't have gills. They come to the water surfaces to breathe through their lungs. Ducks have webbed feet which help them to swim. Birds like flamingos have long legs which help them to wade in water. Here you can see webbed feet of duck. So students, have you ever seen an aquatic animal? Okay, now let's read about terrestrial animals. Animals which live on land are called terrestrial animals. Lion, tiger, horse, buffalo, deer, zebra, camel, snake are some examples of terrestrial animals. Most of these animals have strong legs which help them to run fast. Now students, let's find out why is a whale called a mammal, not a fish? Camels live in desert area. They have a hump on their backs in which fat is stored. Camels can survive without food and water for many days. Here you can see a camel. Now the fascinating fact is a camel is called the ship of the desert. Now amphibians. Some animals can live both on land and in water. They are called amphibians. Frog, duck, toad and salamander are some examples of amphibians. They breathe through their lungs when they are on land and through their moist skin while in water. Here, look at these animals, frog, toad and salamander. Now, arboreal animals. Some animals live on trees for most of their lives. They are called arboreals. Monkeys, langurs, chimpanzees and squirrels are some such animals. We have a fascinating fact. Bats are mammals but can fly. You can see a monkey on a tree. Now, aerial animals. Some animals fly in the air. They are called aerial animals. They have light bodies, wings and strong chest muscles which help them to fly. They also have a streamlined body which facilitates them to fly. Some examples of aerial animals are birds like sparrow, pigeon, crow and eagle. Here you can see a aerial animal. Now, let's see the fascinating fact. Some animals sleep during the day but are active at night. They are called nocturnal animals. Bats, owls, skunks are some examples of nocturnal animals. They hunt or feed during the night. Now let's do the activity. Place the examples in suitable columns. Here you can see the animals and you have to put them in the column of aquatic, terrestrial, amphibians, aerial and arboreal. Now let's learn about ears of animals. Most animals have ears which enables them to hear. Animals like lion and tiger have ears that face forwards to allow them to focus on their prey. Nocturnal animals like bats have large outer ears which help them to find their prey and also to escape from their enemies. Prey animals like deer and rabbits have ears that can be moved around. This allows them to look out for threats in every direction. Birds do not have external ears. They have holes in their sides of their head which help him hearing. Dogs and cats have highly sensitive hearing. Some animals like elephants have very big ears which help them to stay cool. Some reptiles like snakes have no ears at all. They just sense are coming due to the vibrations on the ground. Frogs, seals and walrus don't have external ears. They have small holes in their heads for hearing. Polar bears have very small ears. These ears can be closed while swimming. Here you can see a polar bear. Now the activity, draw a picture of the ears of animals whose names are written below the boxes. Here you can see the different names of the animals and you have to draw their ears. Now let's see body coverings of animals. Animal bodies are covered with feather, fur, scales or shells. Let's see feathers. Birds have feathers which help them to fly. Wings of a bird are made up of feathers. Feathers of a duck help it to remain dry even if it goes into the water. Feathers also help to keep a bird warm. Now, fur. Most mammals have their bodies covered with fur. This fur may consist of short hairs or a thick fur coat.